Amazon product recommendation system using web scraping and data analysis tools. Now let's jump to the coding section. Here it is. So these are the imports which we need to run our project. I am using Anaconda Jupyter Lab IDE to run the project. Also, to scrap the data, I have used Selenium tool. Selenium is a free automated testing suite for web application across different browsers and platforms. To visualize the data, I have used Python Plotly libraries like Plotly Express, Core component, HTML component, etc. Now let's run the project and explore the outcome. Great. Now type category of product which you are looking for. For example, laptops, TVs, LED monitor, etc. After clicking on search button, it will take some time to fetch data from sites using Selenium WebDriver. See here, .csv file is created by the scraper and now it will store the scrap data from Amazon website. In our case, it scrapes the description, price, rating, review count and URL for every product on the page according to our given search term. See here how raw data in .csv file looks like. This data needs to be filtered before plotting graphs and this work is done at the background. Coming back to outcome, these two cards shows the total products and total brands count. Now this bar graph shows the information related to each laptop brands like minimum price offered by brand and how many products in each brand category. See here, HP brand has 42 laptops with different specifications. The color scale shows the frequency count of each brand products. It will help us to identify which brand has more products. Now moving forward, these two graphs depends upon specify brand in drop-down menu. The first bar chart shows each product price and rating so that we compare products from same brand category. Here the color scale shows the price range. Now the second graph is a pie chart which shows which product has more reviews so we can hover over that slice and understand product specifications easily. Now this range slider helps user to suggest a best product within a user budget range. Now suppose I want a product between 80,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Now after setting range and clicking on button, it will display name of one high rating product between that range and count of how many products are in that range on HTML card. If we change the price range on the range slider, it will update the card after clicking on button. See, card is updated and now it suggests Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 because we changed price limit and this product is in the given price range which offering more features than previous ones. Now the last two cards suggest product manually by categorizing them to low and high budget price range. You can see the product name and prices as per low and high budget price range on card. So that's it guys. Hope you like this project and thanks for watching.